The list that was given to us, again, this is not come list as what Alan Cayetano was saying. This is a list that was given to us. The senators there are 16. 3 ay yung na-indict na. 3 doon, dating senador. 10 incumbent. Kasama na doon yung mga dati na nagbalik. So, yun lang po masasabi ko.
Tripod ka sa likod, may tripod.
Lang yung laman yung sa list. Ping lang. So, hindi kong sabihin may amount na lang kalagay sa isa. Kaya alam yung baboy. Ping.
Sabi ko may RCD ko.
Ilistahan lang yun. Okay? No amount. Pero yun nga, di ba, we're looking about this pork barrel. And this is pig. Okay? And this is baboy, in short. So itong mga naka-include doon, may biik, may baboy, pero yung bulugan wala. So dapat yun, help us please to look for that bulugan, mga bulugan na yan. Para mailabas na kasi ang daming naghihirap na tao sa ating bansa. Dapat ito katayin at gawing barbecue at ipakain dyan sa Paseco at Parola. Yun lang po ang masasabi ko.